If you're new to options trading, this video isn't about strategies or setups, it's about mistakes. These are mistakes I made when I was starting out, and they cost me time, money, and unnecessary stress. Most beginners don't lose money because they don't understand options, they lose money because of behavior. These are 5 rules most options beginners learn the hard way. Rule number 1, never enter a trade because you're afraid of missing it. This is probably the most common mistake beginners make. You see a stock moving fast, you see people talking about it, and suddenly you feel like if you don't jump in right now, you're going to miss the opportunity. That feeling is FOMO, fear of missing out. The problem is that FOMO trades usually have the worst entries. You're late, the option is already expensive, and you're making a decision under pressure instead of logic. Here's the guardrail that helps prevent this. If you didn't plan the trade before the move started, skip it. Missing a trade costs nothing. Entering a rushed trade costs real money. Rule number 2, if you don't know where you'll exit, don't enter. A lot of beginners focus only on how much they can make. They don't think about what they'll do if the trade goes against them, so when the option starts losing value, they freeze. They hope it comes back. They don't want to lock in the loss. Hope is not a risk management plan. The guardrail here is simple. Decide your exit before you enter, not while you're emotional. Small losses are part of trading. Big losses usually come from refusing to accept them. Rule number 3, take profits earlier than feels comfortable. This one surprises a lot of people. Options can give you profits quickly, but they can also take them back just as fast. A very common beginner experience looks like this. You're up 40 or 50%. You start imagining how much more you could make, so you hold, and then the profit disappears. Options don't reward patience the same way stocks sometimes do. Here's the guardrail. Decide what good enough looks like before the trade starts. You don't get paid for potential. You get paid for exits. Rule number 4, your position size should let you sleep at night. This rule has nothing to do with account size and everything to do with emotions. If one trade is causing stress, anxiety, or forcing you to stare at the screen all day, the position is too big. Big position sizes make it almost impossible to think clearly. They turn small moves into emotional events. Here's the guardrail. Size the trade so you can accept the full loss without stress. For many beginners, that means risking only a small, single-digit percentage of the account on one trade. The goal isn't to be brave. The goal is to stay rational. Rule number 5. Avoid weekly options until you've lost money on them. Weekly options look attractive because they're cheap, but cheap does not mean low risk. Short expiration options have extreme time decay. They give you very little room to be early. And when things go wrong, they go wrong fast. Weekly options feel like an easy way to start. In reality, they're harder, not easier. Here's the guardrail. Give yourself more time than you think you need. Longer dated options give you more flexibility, more time to be wrong, and fewer emotional decisions. If there's one theme across all these rules, it's this. Options trading isn't about being right. It's about managing risk, time, and behavior. If you focus on avoiding common mistakes instead of chasing big wins, you give yourself a much better chance to stay in the game.